Whenever I think about cinnamon rolls, I immediately think about cinnamon baking and the aroma filling my kitchen. That is the best smell ever. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make cinnamon rolls, which are extremely delicious and so easy to make. However, you have to know that to make these delicious cinnamon rolls, you have to bake them from scratch. No shortcuts. So let's get cooking. First off, I'm going to combine 1 cup of milk, 2 1/4 teaspoon of instant yeast, and a 1/3 cup of sugar. So add your milk in a small bowl. Your milk should be lukewarm, not hot. So I add my sugar and yeast. I'm going to use a whisk to mix. Mix until the sugar is dissolved. I'm going to cover this for about 5 minutes, so you use your kitchen towel to cover. So here's my kitchen towel. So I'm going to cover and set this aside. Add 3 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and your flour should be leveled. One teaspoon of salt. Mix to combine. So now I'm going to make a well in the center of the bowl. So now I'm going to crack my egg in my wet ingredients. Then I'm going to stir just a little bit. Add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients. Stir. Mix until a dough is formed. So it is that easy. This is the easy part. Now that a dough is formed, I'm going to use my hands to make the dough smooth and soft. So you will need for around 5 minutes. If you notice that your dough is a little bit thick, you can add bits of flour, not too much, just bits. So this is an arm workout. I'm already sweating. Oh my God. So now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of softened butter. Then I will fold in my dough and continue kneading. So after kneading for about 5 to 7 minutes, my dough is smooth and it is not sticky at all. Place the dough back in the bowl, then you'll cover with a cling film and let it rise for around 1 hour or until doubled up in size. As we wait for our dough to rise, I'm going to be making my cinnamon filling. So here I have a 1/4 cup of softened margarine or butter. You can use any. To this, I'm going to be adding a 1/3 cup of brown sugar and 3 tablespoons of cinnamon. Now I'm going to mix until well combined. My filling is ready. So now I'll keep this aside. Then also I'm going to be making my sugar glaze or frosting. After 1 hour, my dough has doubled up in size. So I'll remove the cling film. Then I'll punch to remove the excess air bubbles. Keep this aside. Then I'm going to sprinkle a little flour on my working surface. Then I'll place my dough on my working surface. Now I'll roll up my dough into a rectangular shape. Then we are going to smear our cinnamon filling. You make sure to push your dough using your rolling pin. Just push. So a rectangular shape is more easier to work with when making cinnamon rolls. So you just make sure you push and make a rectangle. Now I'm going to smear my dough with the cinnamon filling. And make sure that your dough is covered with the filling. So now it's time to roll up my dough. So what you're going to do is you're going to lift your dough carefully. Roll the dough tightly. Tuck and fold. So now what I'll do, I'll cut up the dough into pieces, 2-inch pieces. So you can use a knife, you can use a string, you can use a floss, anything that can cut through you can use. I'm going to be using a floss. What you do, you lift the dough up, put the floss underneath, a 2-inch piece, then cut. As simple as that. See how gorgeous it looks. So now I'll cover this and let it rise for about 20 minutes. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. So for my glaze, I'm going to be using 2 cups of icing sugar or powdered sugar, pineapple juice, and vanilla. So to my 2 cups of powdered sugar, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon vanilla. I'm using fresh pineapple juice, so it is really fresh. So what I'll do, I'll be adding a teaspoon at a time until I get the right consistency I want. So I'll add 1 teaspoon. Mix using a fork. So I've used 4 tablespoons of pineapple juice. So you can add more or you can add less. This is my right consistency. My cinnamon rolls now are ready to go into the oven and they're looking amazing. Now you're going to bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Yay! My cinnamon rolls are ready and they're looking amazing and I'm so happy. Happy! happy about how they're looking. Remember, we had made our sugar glaze, so now it's time to glaze my cinnamon rolls. Oh my god, look how fluffy my cinnamon roll is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drizzle my icing sugar on top. I love eating my cinnamon rolls when they're straight out of the oven, when they're hot and steamy. That is so delicious. You have to try that. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end, and I hope you try out this recipe, and please you tell me in the comment section how your cinnamon rolls turned out. So now it's time to taste.